In this video, we will show you how to create interactive apps in Google Sheets that powered by Gemini. The Google Sheets just released the features called Canvas, okay, that can power your Google Sheets and turn into the interactive apps look like this. You can see here. You can see we have the data, okay. Now we need to add the rows, okay. Just click here and we can click entry. This is just for example, okay. Now you can see the data is added, okay. How to do that? To create these interactive apps, okay, for example here you need to prepare the data on Google Sheets, then open the Google Sheets, okay. After you open the Google Sheet, just sign in, and in here you can create blank spreadsheet and you can change the title. For example here we need just to adjust like we want, product plan, okay, product plans like this. And then in here we already prepare the data, okay. You can use your own data in this case and you can paste here, okay. After that, in here please make sure you have Gemini inside panel of your Google Sheets. If you don't see, you can just click this Gemini features. Now you can click here and select create canvas. Unfortunately, the canvas is available if you have the pro account or higher, okay. So if you're using the free version of your Google account, it may not have this feature, okay. And then we need just to ask the Gemini to creating our interactive apps. This is the prompt that you can see. You can make similar prompt like this or you can use your own, okay. Generate an interactive editable product plan layout on top of the product's data. Use a clean elegant aesthetic, okay. We can just submit after that. And even after the interactive apps is created, we can change the apps later, okay. Maybe we not like with the design and the input or another, we can just change with the prompt. And in here, to generating the interactive apps usually takes 1 until 5 minutes. It's depend also into your internet connection, so you need to be patient here. Waiting time maybe average is 2 until 3 minutes, but 5 minutes is also okay too. Now compiling code, and you can see we have 101 data, but actually the first is title, okay. But in the rows here it's 101. So after we creating the interactive apps, let's try later to add new entry for 102 using that apps, okay. And this is very helpful if you want to make interactive application and synchronize with your Google Sheets, okay. Now verifying output still running, okay. This is take little time because our data is little bit complex. If you have much data, also this is need a longer time, so you need to be patient here. Now the Gemini is successfully created our canvas or interactive apps. You can see this is the interactive apps and we can click new entry, okay, here. But if you maybe need the change of these interactive apps, you can just continue your conversation here, okay. But in this case, let's just try to add the next in this row, okay. Just click here To view your Google Sheets, you can just go to here, and to back to your apps, you can go to the next of the sheet one here. Okay, and let's try to create new entry. Okay, like this, and okay, with medium, and click add to plan. And let's see in the sheet one, you can see there. Now let's add again, and new entry, and Canada. We can also add manually here, Montana, like this, and click add to plan. Okay, you can see there. And maybe you need to change, insert the data from product line here. Maybe the list is more than one, so you can add more than one here. Okay, like this, for example, and you can continue the conversation. But that's all tutorial how you can create interactive apps with easily using Google Sheets that powered by Gemini with features called Canvas. Okay, if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.